Hey brother, it's summer! This is John, and you're watching Code at Kwento. At dahil nga mainit na ang panahon, let's talk about the hot topic for today. Let's talk about CSS Grid. CSS Grid is still on its early stage of development, so wala pa siyang final na spec as per W3C. Browser support, yung iba, so-so, yung modern browsers, some have support for them, but others are still catching up with the pace. But it will all change once na yung spec niya or yung spec ng CSS Grid is released. So in this video, what I'm trying to get into is not how to use CSS Grid, but to show you what it is capable of at the moment. So hindi ako magtuturo dito ng step by steps kung paano gagawin yung CSS Grid. Kasi nga katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi pa final yung spec niya. But this is more of us trying to understand its capabilities. Parang ano ba yung ginagawa ng CSS Grid? Paano ba siya kino-code, or ano ba yung extent na kaya niyang gawin as of the moment. So maybe in the near future we'll be getting more advanced tutorials regarding CSS Grid, since it will be mainstream perhaps like Bootstrap in 2012. But yeah, let's get into coding, shall we? Ngayon guys, ito yung gagawin natin sa CSS Grid. Bali, bago tayo mag-start sa coding, try nyo munang i-imagine paano nyo ito magagawa in the current state of CSS. Okay? So dito, basically yung HTML natin would be 5 div, but it will be layouted like this. Let's get into coding. So we will be using CodePen for this tutorial. So let's begin. First up, we will create a container na may 5 cell. Wala yung cell. Yung number 85, its own number. Then sa loob ng cell, merong item number. Then pwede natin siya by 5. This coding guys is a shorthand for Emmet. So I already have a video tutorial for Emmet. If you want to check it out, I will add it on the description below. So just press tab. So we'll have a container with 5 div with a class of cell and their numbers and the content of cells in each and the number in each cell. So it will be similar to this. Now, this is where the magic happens. It's all in the CSS. So, first step is we need to define the display for the container. So, container, then display grid. So, after natin ma-display yung grid, I want you to notice that we will be creating the ability, or we have the ability to define the width of the columns and the height of the rows. Okay, so here we can individually name them per column, say column 1 or row 1, row 2. So I'll just review in a bit. So here's how we will do it. First off, we have the grid template columns. We will set first column 1, to be like 33% of the total width. Then column 2 would be same 33%. Column 3 would be 33%. Okay, so it's just setting all the columns with the same width. Then ilagyan natin ng grid gap, yung spacing or yung gutter nila sa gitna and sa taas baba. So grid gap would be 10 pixels. Makikita nyo naman yung nagbabago na siya. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then slowly we will be setting the row. Okay, so to do that, we use with template rows. The template rows, same thing. We'll set it with first row, row 1 would be 37%, and row will have the same 47%. So, kung magtataka kayo guys, bakit increments like 33 or 47? Kasi, sabi ko nga, we added a gap. So, para lang hindi siya mag-over-exceed sa total size ng screen. Or, magkaroon siya ng, para bang mag-fit lang siya. Okay? So, yeah. Basically, yan yung gusto natin mangyari. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then, set na lang natin yung text natin sa center. Okay? Ayan. Pero, ito kasi gusto natin mangyari. Gusto natin magkaroon ng 1, 2, 3, 4, then yung 5 na ditong malaki. So, lagyan muna natin sila ng style para hindi tayo dito. Cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4 will have the following styles. So, let's say, lagyan natin sila ng background. Background color na material design. There we go. Then, after that, lalagyan natin sila ng padding na 25 px. There. Then, ngayon, this is, gawin natin puti yung puti numbers. There we go. So, sige, yung height ng container kasi laki ng height ng screen natin. So, height would be 100 each keyboard height. There we go. So, basically, ina-occupy na nila lahat. Okay? Ina-occupy na nila lahat. And then, this is where all the magic happens. Si cell 5, we'd have to define the grid column niya as third. Okay? Kasi dito, kung makikita nyo dito sa grid template column natin, tatlo yung column na ginawa natin. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ngayon, i-define natin si cell number 5 na lagyan natin ng background para makita nyo. Background. Gawin natin medyo darker. Gawin natin 30/7 A1. Yeah. Darker na si grid number 5. So, bigyan din natin siya ng padding na 25%. Para pair. 25 pixels. Sorry. So, 25 pixels. And now, kailangan natin i-define yung pang-ilan siya sa grid. Gagawin natin siyang grid column. So, natin siya pangatlo. Number 3. Okay? So, makikita nyo, nagpunta siya doon sa pinaka third column. So, nilaktawan niyo yung second column kasi sinabi natin siya kung saan siya mag-fall. Tama? So, ngayon, kailangan natin siyang iset into the rows. gusto natin, kuhanin niya yung buong row. Okay? So, grid, row. Yung 1 is yung first. Then, 3. So, gusto natin kunin yung buong column, yung buong height ng column, saka buong height ng row. Okay? Mahirap siyang explain for now, pero that's how grid system works. So, yeah. Basically, nagawa na natin siya. Isipin nyo, with just this short amount of code, we're able to do this. Alright? So, try to imagine, paano nyo, sa exercise natin kanina, paano nyo sa in-imagine na gagawin? Clear fix, float left, diba? Call MD kung mag-bootstrap. But, yeah, here, we have 5 straight divs with just using the CSS Grid, we were able to do something like this, which is basically a more complicated layout than it looks, but it is easily done with CSS Grid. Okay? So, yeah, we're done. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something awesome today. Kung bago lang kayo dito, please click the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Also, click the bell button so you will be notified for the new videos that I'll be uploading real soon. And leave a comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or maybe just intrigue of why I'm doing this in the first place. So yeah, talk to you later. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.